Hey there, future renters. Welcome to our quick guide on how to apply for a rental on Zillow in 2025. If you're navigating the housing market this year, Zillow has made the process even smoother with some cool new updates. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so you can snag that perfect place without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Zillow account. Head over to the Zillow website or app and sign up if you haven't already. In 2025, they've added enhanced security features like biometric login for faster access, super convenient. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find rentals in your desired area. Type in your location, set filters for price, bedrooms, and amenities, and boom, you'll see a list of available properties. Next, pick a listing that catches your eye and click on it for more details. Zillow's 2025 update includes virtual 3D tours and AI-powered recommendations based on your preferences, making it feel like you're already there. Take your time to review the property description, photos, and any reviews from past tenants. Now, for the application process. Check if the listing has an Apply Now button. If it does, you'll be prompted to fill out a rental application form. Gather your documents in advance, like proof of income, ID, and references, because Zillow's new streamlined system allows uploads directly from your phone. In 2025, they've integrated with financial apps for quick verification, which speeds things up. After submitting, keep an eye on your Zillow dashboard for updates. Landlords might request more info or schedule a virtual interview. Remember, always read the fine print on fees and terms to avoid surprises. Wrapping this up, applying for a rental on Zillow in 2025 is straightforward and user-friendly. Follow these steps, and you'll be one step closer to moving in. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. See you next time.